Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on Reviewing the Hustle. And I told you we were coming back with some more freebies for you guys to flex through the weekend with. Now, this one is nice. This one here is by Alex James. It's called AJ100 Fitness and Elegance. Now, I do like to look at this one. I like the fun analog hands as well. In AOD mode, it looks super slick with this neon green color. It's going to really bring out the watch face when it's in the dark. Now, looking at the watch face, the index doesn't look bad at all. The developer has his name up at the top. Now, if he had just left his name spelled out in small font like he did, that would be okay. I think the initials was over the top, but for the most part, it's still a nice looking watch face overall. Now, if you look over to, of course, your left, you're gonna get your battery information. Over to your right, you're going to get your date. Now, I do like that he has a second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch, which gives you an opportunity to wear this super casual as well. You're going to get your step status, your heart rate information down at the bottom. Also, you're going to get your digital time. So you get the best of both worlds. Again, this is not a bad look for a casual dress down watch face. And if I tap on the date, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. Same thing if I tap on my steps, I can bring up all my information for my steps, heart rate information, things of that nature, and of course my battery info. So all in all, is it a bad look? No, not for a casual wear. But don't go anywhere, people. I got one more freebie for you all to check out, and it's coming up watch face number 2. Now this one is called Purply Blue. Now I don't know if this is for ladies or if it's for the men. Men, let me know if you would wear such a watch face. I think it's a nice look considering the color, depending on what you're going to tie this in with. But this is definitely going to be a super casual and a dress-up watch face. Now in AOD mode, it's going to look awesome so far as elegance is concerned. And once the watch face is on, I love the index. I love how he laid it out. And also it's interactive as well. You're going to get your step information up at the top. You're going to also get your date down at the bottom along with your battery percentage. For me, all in all, I thought it was a good wear. Yes, it would have been nice if you could have changed the index color, but you do get a nice, elegant look out of this watch face. Now, it is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. So let's go ahead. Let's tap on the, of course, my step info, and it does pull that up as well. Let's tap on the date and see what happens. It brings my battery info up. I don't know if it brings up the date, but regardless whether it does or not, I think it's still a good look. Again, hit me in the comment section down below and let me know your thoughts, because I thought he did a good job with the analog hands and also the second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I hope you all are having a great weekend. Hit me in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.